It is 9:45 and the boys are finally awake. Riley woke up at 4:45 and refused to go back to sleep until like 5:30. No, even that later, probably like 6. Finally he goes back to sleep, thank God, and then he keeps shoving me off the bed. Yeah, you kept shoving me off the bed. This little one finally woke up, so that's really impressive. Hey, what are you whining about? Guess what? Sierra's home. Sierra just got home. But it was so cute. Kaden just came up to the bed. Me and Riley were laying here. And he comes up and lays down. And Riley sees him. And he's like, "Hi, Kaden." And it was so precious. You love your brother, don't you? Both of you love your brothers. Yeah? You gonna give Kaden a kiss? You give him a morning kiss, Riley? Give him a morning kiss, please. Kaden, give your brother a morning kiss. Get him. Kiss him. Kiss his ear. Your brother got your ear. Your brother got your ear. Yeah, you guys are my snuggle butts. Did you have any dreams last night, Kaden?
No.
Riley, did you have any dreams?
Yeah.
What did you dream about? Tell me. Did you dream about Mommy and Daddy?
No.
Did you dream about Greggy?
No.
Did you dream about Kaden?
No.
Did you dream about diapers?
No.
Did you dream about elephants?
No.
What sound does an elephant make? You remember? Yeah. What sound does a penguin make, guys? I don't know. All I know is they waddle. Waddle, 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 waddle.
Honk, honk.
No, those are goose. Oh, penguins might do that too. I think you're right. You're smart, Kaden. I see a Riley butt. Ooh. Yeah. What are you doing? Kaden's hiding. Riley's rolling around the bed like he's a monkey.
I'm trying to cover up.
You're goofballs. Oh. What? Are you getting your brother? Say, Kaden.
Okay.
Oh, yep, that's Aunt Kathy's.
No.
Hey guys, you want to see something really cool?
Yeah.
Look at Aunt Kathy. Oh! So, this is like my little mini unicorn I got. But it's a very big unicorn. What is that, Riley?
Whoa, she has big eyes.
Yeah.
What's she? I'll try to see if her eyes.
Doesn't do that in the dark.
Okay, reflective is white.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, he's giving you hugs. Aww.
Got you for morning kiss on the cheek. Got him.
Riley, say good morning. Oh, did you just give him kisses?
Yeah.
What a precious little boy you are. Riley, are you snuggling with brother? Yeah. Give him a kiss.
I don't.
Give him your brother a kiss. On his tummy. Hugs. You give me morning hugs to Kaden?
Give him his morning hug.
Aww.
Morning hug.
Oh, you make Kaden sad. Oh, there you go. You gave me hugs. Say, Kaden. You're on him. Why are you loving your brother? You're so funny. You're loving him this morning. Oh, what are you doing, Nug Nug?
Okay.
Get up. They're hurting him. You guys are goofballs.
Mom.
Riley, what are you watching?
Paw Patrol.
I'm watching doggies. Riley just went pee-pee on the potty. So he's getting a nice yummy cupcake that he's stuffing in his mouth and making a mess of. So I'm gonna have to clean up. What did you do, Riley? Riley, did you pee-pee? Can you say pee-pee? He's getting a mess. You're a messy boy, aren't you? You're cute. You gotta lick this off your finger. Yeah, he was so excited again. It's so cute. Day 3 of potty training, starting to go really well. Say bye-bye. So Riley went poo-poo in his big boy pull-up underwear. So I went to go change him in the bathroom and show him that it goes in the potty. So after we changed him, I put him up on the potty and he went pee again. So it's been 3 times now. He's not asking yet, but now he's getting the concept that when he sits in the potty, he goes pee, which is a really big concept because before he would just sit on there and I don't think he really understood. But now today has been 3 times and it's not even his nap time. It's only like going on 1. So it's really impressive. Hopefully it keeps up and by the end of this week or starting next week he'll start like asking maybe or trying more, but I'm really impressed and he's really happy when he does it. He got a cookie this time, didn't finish it because he had a ball, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Bye. Hey baby boy, what'd you do?
Hey.
Did you pee-pee?
Yeah.
Riley went pee-pee for the 4th time in his potty and now he's getting ready to go night-night. Come on, let's go get your blanket in your bed. Come on. You gotta turn that light off. Yep, turn that light off. And now go in here. Come on. No, don't play with the lights. As you see, he has chocolate all over his face from all his treats he's been getting. And he's such a big boy. We gotta go turn on this light. Turn on this light. No, right in here. Pull the black cord. Remember, pull the black one. Yep, that one. Turn it on. Pull it down. Yay. Okay, you ready? You gotta get the other bottle out. Look at you have another bottle in there. Let it go so you can pull it later. Don't pull it again. Ready? Can you hand me that bottle? Give me that one. Give me, no, that one's an old one too.
Yeah.
That one's mine. Here's your blankie over here.
Yeah.
You want Unicorn to sleep over here?
Yeah.
Okay, can you hand me the bottle?
Mom.
Give it to me so I can give you a new one. I gotta go clean your bottles. You don't have many bottles. No, that one's old. Don't drink that one. That one's old. Go down. Okay, watch out.
Oh.
I need to put this up so you can go night-night. We're gonna make you a tent. See, a tent. You got to sleep under the tent. Lay down. Here. I'm gonna give you a new one. Let me get you a new bottle. That one's old. Icky. Say icky. Okay. Can you pick up your penguin? Give him a hug. Get your penguin. Get him. Go get him his night-night. Go get him his nap drink. Lay next to him. You ready? Lay down. Did you give him a kiss? Did you give him his drink?
Yeah.
Give him his nap drink. Say night-night. Here. Lay down so I can cover you up. Get your head in there. Get your head in there. You under your tent? Ready? Here you go. 1, 2, 3. Night-night, baby. See you soon. Mwah. Blow me a kiss. Thank you. Sleep tight, Riley Alexander. Have a good nap. Riley just woke up about an hour ago. It's like almost 6 o'clock. And, from his nap. And he, peed twice now on the potty. So, we went there twice and he peed. So, I think he's starting to get the idea that if he sits in the potty, he goes pee. So, hopefully we keep up the good work. I took a nap with him because he wouldn't let me leave his bed. It was a lot of fun. And I can't wait to see where else it goes. Bye. So we were eating dinner. We got pizza tonight. Boys are both intensely watching some kind of show. I'm not really sure. Riley has pretty much had a dry diaper since he woke up from his nap at 5. I mean, he peed in it once, but pretty much a dry diaper. Every time you put him on the potty now, you tell him to go pee. He actually goes pee, and he sits there and he like makes sure he goes. It's really cute. So we're doing good progress. Yay! Riley, did you pee on the potty?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you excited? Yeah, he's stuffing his face. You gonna eat your pizza? You need this? But yeah. Today has been a very laid-back day since it's been really rainy and yucky outside. We haven't done much. Just sat in, watched some TV. Hopefully tomorrow it's supposed to be better. We're going to have some fun. Yeah. There goes Riley and his pizza. He's such a little goof. And yeah. We've been having fun. Talk to you later. Bye. We are having a movie night after we had like a day of watching shows. We're going. What are we watching tonight, Kaden?
WALL-E.
We're watching WALL-E. They love WALL-E. Pretty cool. There you go. Riley has just gone pee on the potty yet again. Yep. Riley went on the pee again, and he actually was sitting in his. He was sitting in his chair eating. And he looked at me, and he's like, oop, which means he has to poop. So I was like, you want to go to the potty? So we walked over there, and he sat down, and he went pee. So I think he wanted to actually go pee, but he just said oop. And so yeah, he had a lot of fun. He actually went pee twice on the potty while I was sitting there. But he had a lot of fun. So now we're going to go try to watch WALL-E. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Don't throw it. Come here. You want to see what it is?
See what you got her. What did you get, Sierra? Hold on.
Oh, look, it's tape.
What did you get her? Say happy birthday.
Happy.
Say birthday.
Happy.
Say birthday.
Happy.
Birthday. Riley, happy?
Happy.
Happy. I don't think birthday.
Alright.
Surprise! Oh, Sierra, one just fell off. Is there another one?
No, it's just the back of one.
Back.
Oh, no, it's not. I'm missing 2. A pair fell off. Sorry, baby. Hey, you want to see what's in this one?
This is from Kaden. Kaden wanted to give her this box so bad the other day, but then we had to get her something first.
Ooh. Oh, look, there's an earring. Oh, look, I found earrings.
Those are what
with it.
they went together.
Dang it.
Is one missing a back?
No.
Oh, well then maybe not. What did you get her?
A sea necklace.
A sea necklace? You are so thoughtful. This is from me.
I got shoes.
Yep. You'll like these shoes.
Huh?
You'll like these shoes. I can't wait for you to see them. It's just a receipt.
You got me shoes.
Yeah. They're
want
amazing.
shoes.
No, you'll love these shoes.
I don't want shoes.
Yes, you do.
I don't. Is this breakable?
No, it's shoes.
Why would you wrap shoes like this?
You'll see. Open that one last, down at the bottom.
Oh my god, I hate you. Mommy's not here to see this.
She already knows. She was there when I got them. Or when she bought them.
Happy birthday!
Cute, calm, and love minions.
I need to go to
Where's the shirt?
Not the bottom, not the bottom.
Nope, she still has one more.
Miniature by Fiona.
Bello, oops, what? Crate. Ba, ha ha ha.
Yeah.
Banana. Riley, is the last one you? No.
Okay, so I picked this out with Grandma, so I hope you like it.
Is this breakable?
No, this is not breakable.
Run.
That's not yours.
I hope you like this.
Ooh.
Happy birthday, little sister.
Thank you.
Say happy birthday.
Say happy birthday.
Life is perfect today. I wouldn't want to spend it any other way than like this. Life is perfect with you. Life is perfect today. My thoughts have burned away like an ocean mist, and everything I see was sun-kissed. All the world is still and you're still with me. Life is perfect. Life is perfect today. I wouldn't want to spend it any other way than like this. Life is perfect with you. Life is perfect today. It feels like someone else whose heart was wrecked, who drifted through this world in loneliness.